This is a painting that I did for my mom a couple of years ago. She was very sick and there was really not much I could do for her. This painting was a part of a 2-day ritual as a prayer for her spirit. And now this will be underneath this new painting, a new prayer. This cup is from a previous pour, and there was so much black it overtook the whole thing. So I'm going to use it and not put any more black in. Hi everyone, this is The Unspeakable. Welcome back to my channel. Please hit that like and subscribe button. So today I am painting over a ritual with another ritual. And it is the perfect time of year to do this. I am a little sad to see this go, so that I'm deliberately putting a thin layer of gold and purple and white over the old painting, saying goodbye to it. I did say goodbye to my mom in February this year, and it's been such a wild year. I haven't even had time to spend with it because so many other things have happened also. But it was wonderful. It's been wonderful. That's all I can say. Wonderful in that I have felt at peace, and I felt my mom's spirit with me or in my heart when I've needed to. And I just wanted to check in with this painting because I feel as though we're at a turning point in time. And many people are saying this, but I'm feeling it in my body and my bones. And this winter solstice is a real turning point on many, many levels, socially, politically, economically, astrologically, astronomically, cellularly. And I'm sensing that. The winter solstice in the northern hemisphere, the dark days, are the time to go inwards and reflect and rest more and be with loved ones or be in solitude, and to really go into a wordless place and feel what you are becoming, what's new, what is happening in your imagination or outside of your imagination that is taking form for the year. Because I truly feel that no one on the outside is going to change us for the better. No politicians, no society, no laws, not anyone, even your loved ones cannot change your reality. It bubbles up from the inside, from deep in the center of your being, wherever that center is. Some people it's more in their belly, some in their hearts, some deep in a very quiet sense of the imagination. In these dark days, in this prayer time, I call these the holy days. I think holidays is a contraction of the words holy and days. So in these holy days, okay, in the same way that the last prayer was multiple pours, this one is also. Take some time and go in and vision a beautiful and good and wholesome and healing future. Visualize all the good that you want to see in the world and find out where that arises in yourself. And then in these dark days, ask for help from the invisible worlds. Okay, I think I'm going to leave that there. The issue is that there is a lot of paint in the middle. It'd be wonderful if it didn't crack, but we'll see how it dries. Here it is dry. It's surprisingly an extension of the prayer below it. And it looks inviting to me. So I'm going to spend some time, quiet time with it, Thank you for watching. Thank you for joining me. I hope you have beautiful holidays, and I'll see you in the next video.